guys, you're welcome to Flookiesden. If you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Afolake and I film about lifestyle, share tips and tricks that new immigrants can look forward to when they decide to move into a new country. I'm filming from Canada, Saskatoon in Saskatchewan, and I'm happy to have you here. So do well to subscribe. You get tips and content relating to all of those and general lifestyle of what happens. I also like to try new things, and I do a bit of baking and putting things together. So I'll be sharing a bit of those as well. So if this looks like what you feel you want to watch and see more of, do click the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, and always look out for my video whenever I post them. So it's Saturday morning. I've been up to a lot of things this morning, but it's 11:24, 2 hours to me going out. I'm actually going out with a few friends, and I've not had breakfast. I've been on a call for a while and had my bath, been doing some things, and I thought I should take you along a few things that I'm going to do, and hopefully when we go out, I can take you through that as well. So I want to have breakfast. I baked some bread. I'm going to put the video here as well. I baked homemade bread, really nice bread, and I thought I would be having that for breakfast with, like, make it into a burger like thing, you know. Burger is expensive, but I make my burger in my house, so I eat it with my family. So I'm going to have that this morning. Make tea. So this is what I like: green tea, decaffeinated green tea. That's what I take in the morning with hot water, of course. And I have breakfast with it. So I'm going to be taking breakfast, show you what I'm doing, and look at my hairstyle. I hope you can see it from the back. I decided to look African today. Try to do something different with my hair. It's been dreads that I've had for 6 years or 7. My dreads birthday is in July, so it's been 7 years, if I'm not mistaken, or 6 years, and there's been a journey to it. But every time I take a picture of how long my dreads have been, it's maybe like here now, I guess. But that's story for another day, because I was thinking of cutting the hair. I was thinking of starting all over again. I just love my hair being natural. I really don't know where I have a comb in this house, because it's just get up, get dressed and go. I don't have to comb my hair. I probably brush and spray my hair every morning, but I don't have to comb my hair to style it in that way. But you know, sometimes I leave it down, sometimes I make it into different styles. But breakfast already, so getting to work now, after which I should be in time to be picked up for my mini outing. We're just going to the mall to see things around. My friends want to do some shopping. I don't plan to, but I just want to go look around. So if time permits me to share a few of the stores, what they have and where you can get what, I will definitely bring it your way. So see you soon. I still get to catch up on personal stuff over the weekend. Sometimes I'm searching out things, new things, how to do this or that, catching up with some work that I need to do, if I need to read, and maybe editing, and a couple of so many more things. So I have a lot of things I need to do this weekend. The things that you don't have time for during the week, personal things actually, that you have to sort out on your computer, but because I get busy during the week with work and then too tired to say extra things, right? So the weekend is there for me to catch up on all these so many things that I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to jump on my computer right now and do some work before it's time for me to go. guys, I hope you've been able to enjoy all that I brought your way this Valentine episode of my vlog. I hope you saw really nice things going around the store, the clothes store, or the fragrance store, or even the medication store where you could get perfumes and beauty products. So, and you enjoyed my bread. I'm sure you did. So you can try that out in your home as well. Thank you so much for following me up to this very moment. I appreciate you. I hope your Valentine's Day is so full of love and continues beyond that day. It's not love is not just meant for one particular day, guys. So let the love continue in your household with your friends, your neighbors, and even your enemies, guys. Love everybody. Enjoy yourself, have a blissful time, and see you again in another vlog. Bye, guys.